Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can relight your background of your image in Canva. All you have to do now, you can try to sign in first with this Canva desktop version. You can click apps, click AI powered. Now you can scroll down, then try to find relight background. Change background and lighting. Replace backgrounds and lighting to your style. Your go-to solution for product photos, one-click background removal and replacement with enhanced lighting. Achieve studio quality images in seconds, perfect for e-commerce, photography, and design. Click use in new design. Here you can upload an image or select one in your design. So you can choose the original image, maximum files 10 megabyte, or you can select the background here. So choose your choose your image first. For example, I want to try a shoes. So you can select background. This is the trending one, or this is for the e-commerce, or this is the studio shoot. Let's try the Paris. Then generate. Please wait, this can take a few moments. And here we go, you can add to the design, and this is the background based on Paris. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.